Who created Newton Protocol? And what is the story behind Magic Labs, the company that built it? Today, the world of decentralized finance is a chaotic place. With so many chains, tokens, and protocols, it's almost impossible for the average person to keep track. You have to constantly manage your assets, move them around, and execute complex strategies, all while hoping you don't make a mistake and lose everything. This problem is what Magic Labs set out to solve. Founded in 2018 by engineers Sean Lee and Jaeming Jean, Magic Labs first made a name for itself by creating embedded wallet technology. They revolutionized how people accessed Web3, onboarding over 50 million wallets and helping more than 200,000 developers. They fixed the problem of Web3 accessibility. But the real-world utility of crypto remained locked behind a wall of complexity. This is where Newton Protocol comes in. The team at Magic Labs realized that just solving the onboarding problem wasn't enough. The next frontier was automation and abstraction, allowing users to express high-level goals and have an intelligent agent handle the complex execution. Newton Protocol is crypto's first verifiable automation layer. It's a system that combines trusted execution environments and zero-knowledge proofs to let you delegate complex financial tasks to AI agents. It's like having a co-pilot for your crypto, one that you can trust because every single action is cryptographically proven to align with your predefined rules. So while others are still grappling with fragmentation and complexity, Magic Labs has once again pioneered a solution. They've gone from making wallets simple to making the entire on-chain experience intelligent and automated. The company that solved the access problem is now solving the automation problem, building the infrastructure for a future where you don't have to be a genius to navigate decentralized finance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.